How to use Visa gift card on DoorDash. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open DoorDash app. Make sure you're logged into your DoorDash account. Then, add everything to the cart and click on View Cart at the bottom. Then press on Continue at the bottom after you've selected everything. Again, press on Continue. Then press on Payment. In the Payment section, you'll find all these options. Click on Credit, Debit Card. Then in here, you'll be able to add your card and purchase everything with your gift card. This is how to use Visa gift card on DoorDash. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.